Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy Ekalaiva. Today we are going to learn the concept missing measurements from the chapter perimeter and area. Look at the question, children. Perimeter is given and we want to find out the side and area of the square. We are going to find the missing measurements of the shape square. Perimeter is given and we want to find the side and area. First we will find out the side so that we can find out the area of a square. So perimeter is given. It is 16 centimeter. First let us find out the side of a square. Yes, we have a formula to find the square, children. Do you remember the formula of the perimeter of a square? Yes, perimeter of a square is 4 into side units. This is what the formula of the perimeter of a square. So from this formula we are going to derive to find out the side of a square. So side equals perimeter divided by 4. You just take multiply by 4 to the next side. It becomes divide by 4. The formula to find out the side of a square is perimeter by 4. So here side equals perimeter by 4, which is equals perimeter is 16 centimeter. You are going to divide 16 by 4. Let us cancel the terms by 4 table because 4 is the common factor. 4 ones are 4, 4 fours are 16. So the answer is 4 centimeter. So what is the side of a square? It is 4 centimeter. Now we got the measurement for the side and we know the formula to find out the area of a square. Yes, area of a square is side into side square units. Side into side square units. Now we have the measurement for the side of a square. It is 4 centimeter. Multiply by 4 because the formula is side into side. You have to multiply the sides 2 times and the unit is centimeter square. So 4 fours are 16. 4 fours are 16. 16 centimeter square. So this is what the area of the square. Now let us write the answer. Side equals 4 centimeter and area equals 16 centimeter square. So this is what the side and area of a square for the perimeter 16 centimeter. Let us move to the next question. Here side is given. It is 5 centimeter. We want to find out the perimeter and the area. We know the formula to find out the perimeter of a square and the area of a square. Let us find one by one. First, we will find out the perimeter of a square. Do you remember the formula, children? Perimeter of a square. Yes, it is 4 into side units. 4 into side units is the formula of the perimeter of a square. So here we know the side 4 into 5 centimeter. 4 5s are 20. 20 centimeter is the perimeter of the square. Now let us find out the area of a square. What is the area of a square, children? Area of a square equals side into side square units. Side into side square units is the formula to find out the area of a square. So here we know the measurement for side. It is 5 centimeter. So multiply 5 by 5 and the unit is centimeter square. 5 5s are, you will get 25 centimeter square. So 25 centimeter square is the area of the square. So now let us write the answer. Perimeter of the square is 20 centimeter and area of the square is 25 centimeter square. So is this clear, children, how to find out the missing sides? Let us move to the next question. Area is given, it is 36 centimeter square and we need to find the side and perimeter of the square. First let us find the side of the square. Listen, children, if area is given, we need to find the side first, then we will find out the perimeter. How to find the side when area is given? Actually, we want to find out the side using square root method, but in this grade we are going to use the factorization method. To find out the side if area is given, we are going to find out the factorization method. First, we will find out the factors of 36. We can get 36 1 times table, it is 1 into 36, 2 times 18, 3 times 12 and 4 times 4 12s are, 4 9s are, and then in 6th table 6 6 are 36. When the factors are same, that means the multiplicand and the multiplier are same, you have to choose one of the number as the side. So here when you multiply 6 into 6, you will get 36. So we want to take 6 as a side. So here listen, the side is 6 centimeter. The side of the given square is 6 centimeter. Now we got the side. Then we will find out the perimeter. We know the formula to find out the perimeter of a square. What is the formula, children? Perimeter of a square. It is 4 into side units. 4 into side units is the formula to find out the perimeter of a square. Now let us substitute the value of side. It is 6 centimeter. So 4 into 6. 4 6 are 24. 24 centimeter is the perimeter of the given square. Now let us write the answer. Side of a square is 6 centimeter and perimeter of the square is 24 centimeter. This is the side and perimeter of the given square. So is the concept clear, children? How to find out the missing measurements? I hope it is clear. We'll see you in the next class. To receive our online lesson, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Thank you, children.